we're seeing a lot of new folks enter the field. As our generation is starting to move on to the next phase, we have a hole, and that hole is being filled by those that really don't have the same background that we did when we were their age. For example, our parents, our dads most often would help us understand what was the workings underneath the hood. That really doesn't happen much anymore. Most dads open the hood anymore. They don't even know what's under there. So the technology's changed so much, it's really hard to get it from a grassroots standpoint. Formal education seems to be helping with increasing those skills they need.
Yeah, I think back to when I was a kid and, basically you needed a couple tools, right? A 7/8 socket, 1/2-inch wrench, 9/16 wrench, maybe a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. And it's a completely different situation for kids growing up. Even my brother, who's only 7 years younger than me, the difference between the vehicles that I was exposed to as a kid versus him, even that 7-year window, it changed quite a bit.
Yeah, I think the technology is just growing exponentially.